What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Apple with the ticker symbol AAPL. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Looks like Apple is seeing a rally, just like what we had before. We had previous rallies in this downtrend. You can see that was a 14% rally back here in I believe it was late January to early February. There was another rally late February, about a 10% gain. The first one was a 14% gain, and the one we're currently in is about a 10% gain. So these rallies are not uncommon. It looks like it's happening quite frequently. So even after the rally happened, we still went back down to the previous low or even exceeded it. So we kept on making lower lows. So is this rally any different than the rest? Well, let's take a look at the chart. So it looks like there is this downtrend channel that's pushing down prices. You can see that if I connect the swings, this fits pretty decent. So we did come up short on this side of the channel, so that shows signs of weakness in the downtrend, which can lead to a break outside on this side of the channel, especially since we have this micro uptrend still in play. Before, the uptrends were kind of weak and they kind of got rejected by the resistance side of the channel. However, we did see a little pullback on today's price action because the price action traded into the 166 level, but we closed in the 165 level. So there's a little tail to this because we got rejected from the resistance side of the channel, but we're still maintaining the trend. We can still see the trend is still intact, so we can see higher prices. I'm not sure how high Apple wants to go, but we'll figure out some potential targets. So we did come back to test this breakout level, especially since this was the start of an entire up move. Normally when prices come back, they come back to these specific areas on the chart where we have these big pushes up. And also it came back to test the breakout level. Like I said before, this was a nice strong breakout of the 151 price level. You see that before it was acting as resistance. We popped above it, came back sharply underneath it. We came back and tested a couple times before price action blasted through it, and then we slowly came back to test out the breakout level again. Looks like we found some types of support. If it was a buying opportunity before, it's another buying opportunity again. Nice little double bottom also. So bullish signs. There was definitely a reason for prices to rally. Like I showed you guys in my previous video for Nike, we had a measured move down. We were super extended from the EMA, and we are near the support side of the channel, and we came back to test the breakout level. So those 4 reasons right there, the prices should continue higher, and it did. We're seeing the momentum shift into the buyer's hands, and we have to wait and see if this turns into a full-blown uptrend, because right now we just had an impulse. We need to see prices pull back and start making higher highs and higher lows. So right now we're in the first stage of a potential reversal, so I'm not sure if this is the bottom or not, but it definitely could be. So that's pretty much everything I have on the daily chart. Let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So the weekly chart is even more bullish than the daily chart because this shows the overall uptrend since the beginning of 2020. Prices made a spike in channel up. This was the spike up, and then we went inside of a flatter uptrend channel, which is right here, and you can see that we did bounce from the uptrend channel support line. So that's what's also holding up prices pretty well. So we did see strong buying from this support side of the channel. So the other traders, investors are looking at the support side of the channel, and when we hit it, they're buying. You can see that every time we came back to the support side of the channel, people were buying. So they were buying up the dips. We did see a strong reversal candle last week. We are seeing some follow through, so we're getting back above the EMA. Previously, before, prices were being supported by the EMA. If we did go below it, like we did a few times before, we got back above it pretty quickly within the next couple of weeks. So if the buying continues, I don't think the seller is going to be able to pull down the market again. This might just lead to, like I said before, a complete reversal to the upside, potentially reaching the 190 level or the upper side of this channel. I say the 190 level because there is a potential measured move that could be reached, because if this is the first leg up right here, the price action moves in twos, so this will be the second leg up, and the target I have for Apple is the 189 190 level. We did come semi close to it, so maybe we don't need to reach this target any longer. It looks like Apple did reach the 183 level, so the target was close enough, so maybe we don't have to reach it. But if the uptrend continues, we're probably going to make a new all-time high and reach that measure move target that I have. So as of right now, this looks pretty good. I think there definitely is some reasons for prices to continue higher, like I said for the daily and weekly chart. If we start finding resistance, maybe we will get a breakout side of the yellow channel. But even if we do, there's still a strong possibility to see a rally to retest the previous highs. Even though if we have a breakout side of the pattern, normally prices will fail and go back and complete the pattern before reversing. So that's all I have for Apple. Daily and weekly chart looks pretty bullish. We're seeing momentum shift into the buyer's hands. The overall pattern is up, so I'm not 100% sure the correction is over, but it definitely looks more likely now. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised or awake to learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye. If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course.